Beard here, coming at you with day 8 of the 12 days of Beanie. This has been really cool so far. Oh, it's sitting back a little far. Oh, what have we got today? We got a turtle. What's his name? Turbo? Something like that? Cruiser. April 7th. We should check this, because if it doesn't match, it's a rare one. Oh, look at that, dude. That's really cool. He has like a headband almost. Is that a turtle? I assume it's a turtle. That doesn't look like a turtle shell, does it? I don't know. I mean, it's clearly a turtle, but... yeah, this is really cool. So, we've got a dog, a giraffe. Damn, what is that like? The gingerbread. Oh, there's a few others. I guess I can't remember. Oh, Moofy. Yeah, this has been awesome so far. I'm gonna definitely get this next year. Well, this year.